winter holiday season, and today we are going to be playing this cool Jive car I got as my birthday gift. So it's an outdoor car. It's so cool. I've never played it before. I have played it many times. It's so cool and amazing inside. So let's try it outside. And guys, write in the comments if you like cool off-road outdoor cars. You can also play virtual car games on your TV and other things you can do. So let's go. So now we need to start the arcing battery. Just switch it on. 1, 2, 3, go! It also has a cool music dance as well. You can play it outdoors, inside, anywhere you like, in the grass, in the sand, in the fields, in the farm, anywhere you like. Well guys, I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell down in the comments, and write in the comments below, do you ever like having cars and remote control toy cars? I love them. They're so cool and fun to play with. And also click that like button and give a big thumbs up, and I'll see you later. Bye.